I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you. I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
I do this for the kids who sit a bit outside the mix, who maybe cope through humor just to fit in for a bit, who never let the world know when depression's setting in. To all of those who know you, that impression don't exist, and it ain't counterfeit, it's just a way to counter it. I'm living things I dreamed about, I still encounter it. It ain't something that a cigarette or alcohol can fix, but all because of it I flipped it quick, went on to write some hits. This a success, off another breath. This the first step in searching to be nothing less than be the best in what you do, to prove their strength in being you. Learn so much in chasing dreams that I never would in school. Depends on where your passion lie, just no passion never lie. Life presents distractions, but your actions have to fortify the things that you believe in. Have to scream it like a battle cry, and leave the ones who didn't looking stupid while they're asking why. Couldn't lie, I really do this for the ones I love, those who treat the music as a vice and lyrics like a drug, those who need advice on how to lift their spirit high enough to break out of the box they make up lives they know aren't good enough. Just because it's how it is don't mean it's how it has to be. This is what the uninspired testifiers fail to see. Jealousy results from being that which others fail to be, and if it means you're not with me, that honestly sounds fair to me.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
Do this for my mother, she'll be working for the summer. Do this for my father, cause these days I often wonder what my life would have been like if I was not adopted. To grow up in a home where I was treated like a problem. I don't know, it's just a guess. Your guess probably good as mine. Lucky that I grew up in a home that wanted me to shine. Lucky that I grew up round some mountains we were taught to climb. Without that inspiration, I don't think that this would be my life. Do this for my friends who've scattered all across the country now. I'm out in Sweden walking back through life so I can write it down. Make a living off the sound, so crazy to say out loud. I'm the biggest thing since Travis Rice to come up out the town. Sorry, gotta stunt a little. Used to have my dreams belittled, but it's all a part of it. I know people's minds are fickle, lines between reality and dreams I blur like faded nights. Come up been so good for me, I wish that I could make it twice.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
I've been drinking, I've been smoking, trying to forget you. I've been thinking every moment since the day I met you. I can't let it go right now. Why you gotta go right now? Yeah, can't let it go right now. Why you gotta go right now? Why you gotta go right now? Why you gotta go right now? Why you gotta go right now?
This for my girl, when she back at home, the time's coming when I'll be out on the road, doing what I gotta do and stacking shows. This was everything I wanted and I know you know. This is all for us, it's the way that I invest. Know what 401k, what you getting from a desk. Trying to stack 401k off of doing this. By the time next year's up, talking nothing less. Remember renting fairgrounds for a show. Remember stressing I was venting on these hoes. Remember home, never feeling like home. Now it's props everywhere I go, it's out of my control. Hit my home newspaper up, they ain't even give a fuck. I'm the biggest at the town, watch a year, switch them up. I won't answer any calls, I don't need to love it all. I did it all on my own, you're the ones who took the loss. Homemade studio, self-made hype. I got 10 damn albums cause my team's so tight. My team's worldwide and my fans are too. Gorilla with the promo, sticking like Gorilla Glue. Switch the flow for the track, put the world on my back. I'ma go and see the world, then I'll bring it all back. When I'm straight with the cash, we could do it all again. Call it second world tour, bringing baby girl down.
I've been drinking, I've been smoking, trying to forget you. I've been thinking every moment since the day I met you. I can't let it go right now. Why you gotta go right now? Yeah, can't let it go right now. Why you gotta go right now? 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 Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go right now?
Haven't been home with the fam 9 months. Lyrics in my songs, how my mother's keeping up. Phone call, Thanksgiving, no I see him in a month. No, I'm out here in the city, I'm just trying to keep in touch. They have for me from the jump, know they got a lot of flack. Cause their son put a whole lot of faith in his path. Falling on the doubt of success, pay him back. Know my parents proud of me, mom bragging real fast. I'm everything I wanted. Can't crash now, front page, kill stage, I'm the man now. New place, same pace, I'm a standout. Seeing old haters smiling with hands out, hands out. But you never rooted for me. Know your roots, they ain't part of the tree. You ain't part of the family, please. So why the hell would I branch out? People gonna act like you owe them something. I'ma leave you standing with your hands out when they didn't help you get to where you are at all. Why the hell would I branch out? You weren't part of my tree. I'ma leave you standing with your hands out. You weren't there rooting for me. Cause why in the hell would I branch out?